friends, how are you doing? I'm doing well. I am back with another Southern Skeins sock box unboxing. So let's dive into this pretty pink organza bag and see what we got for May 2022. All right, so here we go. First things first, here is the yarn we get, and it's kind of amazing. The colorway of the main skein is called Yard Ornament, and the mini skein is called Feeling Geeky. So I don't know if you can tell, but there is a slight flamingo theme going on with this month's yarn, and I am here for it. So I think these will be making an appearance during summer sock camp this year, because how could it not, honestly? It is 75% merino and 25% nylon, so these will also hold up really, really well when they're knit. Then of course we get our flamingo themed goodies. So here's our little goodie bag, and I cannot believe this progress keeper. So I actually saw this in the bag when it first got delivered, and I kind of screamed because it is so adorable. Just look at this little guy. He or she is just making me so happy. Then we have this cute little sticker. I just got a new laptop, so this will be joining some of my other stickers, and it says life is all about balance, and it's another little flamingo. And then of course some treat. This looks really yummy. I've been drinking a cup of tea every night. For some reason I've just been in the mood, so this will be happening. And then we also get this Calm Vanilla Lavender hand cream, so that'll also be happening tonight. My hands have been so dry lately with the change in temperature, so that'll be happening. And then a little candy, and then of course some soap to wash our delicate hand knits. Then of course we also get a pattern this month. It is called the Prairie Rose Socks by Angie, who's Nelly Knits on Ravelry. We get a download code, so we're able to download that digitally and basically call it a day. So of course everything we got was amazing, but before I left you until next month, I wanted to show you what I was making with my March 2022 sock box from Southern Skeins. These are the Prom Queen socks by Kay Jones from Bakery Bears, and they're coming out really lovely. All of this yarn came in the March 2022 Southern Skeins sock box, including the smaller skein for the contrasting heels, cuffs, and toes. So that's what's going on here. It's a really simple 6-row pattern repeat for some really pretty lace, and the speckling looks really nice on it. The colors go really well together, so I'm happy with everything that's going on here. I will say I am participating in Summer Sock Camp by Crazy Sock Lady, which runs from, I guess, starting this weekend until the end of August, and whips aren't allowed, so I'm trying to get as many socks off my needles as humanly possible. This is the first one of this, so I have until tomorrow to finish this and get the other one done, and I don't think that's going to happen. These are slightly bigger needles than I typically use though, so I think we're okay, but we'll see. That said, you might not see these for a while because I'm going to be casting on all the socks this summer, and I'm just really excited. If you are interested in getting your own Southern Skeins sock box, then make sure to check out my referral link below. You'll get, you know, some money off your subscription, and full disclosure, I do get a kickback off that, but it's worth at least checking out. I recommend you at least go see what they have. Really, really just gorgeous yarns, and I'm really enjoying working with them and love everything that we got this month. I'm glad that you joined me today. If you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the link below to subscribe today. Bye.